YouTube Music, the new music streaming app made by YouTube, where you can watch official music videos and listen to official audio from your favorite artists. It's an app built for listening. Listen in the background and save your music to play on the go, all without ads. Get playlists for every vibe, from today's hottest hits to feel-good favorites. It's all.
Ate, pa-print ka. Ng bayan. May maliligo na. Ako talaga dito ko nakikinig sa akin. Sa atin muna? May nagpapalamin sa akin. Nilalaminat ko. Sabi niya, ate, pwede mo ba scan muna ako ng Facebook na buhay? Ha? Ay, wala pa akong ganyan. Wala akong ganyan pa. Sino? Naloob yata. Sabi ko, ilaminat lang ang akin. Yun, bapo to. Kailangan pa pala niya ng picture.
Papa, bilisan mo nga. Bilisan mo. Kahaba-haba na nito. 1 minute na.
Ano dede nito?
At least may naman.
Abuti doon.
So helpful for me because you can read your paper like 20 times, but the moment you submit it, you read it back and you're like, how did I not spot those mistakes? Paper is like 20 times, but now because of
Wala sa camera na sa Shopee.
Grammarly pointed out, and then I read it again to make sure it all flows, and that's it. It saves me so much time. I also love Grammarly because it provides suggestions on word choice. What I love about Grammarly is all I have to do to find a synonym, to find a better word, is double click on the word and it will give me suggestions. That also.